Hey guys, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. I hope you had a great weekend. We're going to discuss the gold price action here. I'm going to go over the long-term chart. I'm going to go over the shorter-term chart and show you guys some specific levels here that you need to watch this week. That's really going to help you out. So, first and foremost, I'm going to move my face out of the way so you can see. Just really quickly, I'm going to brag here for a second. We've been calling this upside move for over a year, all right? Gold bottom down here. We called for this bounce right here. Saw a huge move to the upside. Over here, we saw another huge move right here. We called for the upside move right here on this day, right before it made that huge move higher. Then moving forward, we called for the bounce over here, or called for the continuation move over here, moving higher and higher. So please pay attention here. I'm not right every time, but I'm right oftentimes. So it's really important that you guys really listen up, okay? So the main reason I am still bullish on gold and think it's going to head even higher is based off of this longer term chart here, okay? And I'm going to show you this. All right, so we broke over this resistance here. I'm not going to discuss this in great detail because I've discussed this in my last few videos, okay? I'm going to cover it really briefly. So we traded sideways for a very long time, okay? Built up a lot of energy. We broke out of that range right here. And again, I covered this as it happened when we were down here at about 127 on the GLD chart, okay? So you got to pay attention. All right, so we haven't hit any resistance. We don't have any resistance until about 140, what is this level? Until about 149, okay? You can see that it was resistance from this previous support. Boom, 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 boom. Lots of touches. We broke that level here, and we have not tested it yet, okay? And we broke over all this main resistance right here, and you can see there's no real resistance in this whole way, okay? So that is why I remain bullish on gold. I think it's going to head higher. Now, whether we see a little dips here and there, that's totally fine. Okay, so if we head lower next week, don't come at me and say you said gold was going to head higher. I'm not trying to day trade this. I'm looking for a huge move higher, and we've gotten that already. We've gotten that. Okay, and I definitely think it'll head higher. Okay. Again, and if you think this move is overdone, I just want to point your direction to over here, and you can see this huge move higher, okay? And I'm just pointing that out to show you that gold can move really, really big, okay? So, and this action that we've seen right here is maybe about 1/10 of this move right here. So we can head much, much higher. Don't think that this move is overdone. That is not a reason to short it or to sell or anything like that, okay? So that's what we're looking at on the longer term chart here. I'm going to kind of zoom in a little bit and give you some more specific action, okay? We had a red day here, okay, right here, a dip. We just came in to close, fill this gap right here. The bears got really, really excited. I got some messages here as it was heading lower. I said, you know, the trend is your friend. I bet it'll get a bounce. And what do you know? We got a bounce right here, okay? So I want to point out that level here is still a support level. The fact that we came down here and bounced right away in that one day and then couldn't even head lower after that, to me, that just shows you how strong this trend is, okay? We had this big red day, and then we ended up bouncing huge. We didn't even close below the previous day's low. All right, we haven't done that yet. Even on this day, still have not done that. So the trend is very, very strong here in gold. To me, yeah, you know, you can short here. You get a little move here, a little down move here. But the big money, the big move is made here on the upside, okay? So I don't like to get cute with my trades. I like to trade with the trend because, A, it's easier. It's just flat out easier, okay? You're making it harder on yourself by going against the trend. That's just a fact, okay? That doesn't mean that you can't make money on the short side on big trends to the upside. Okay, that doesn't mean that. It just means that it's a lot harder. And for me personally, I don't really care about how I make money. I just want to do it the easiest way possible, because then I can sleep better at night and then I can make more money. Okay, that's why we're here. Okay, we're not here to be heroes. We're not here to be different. We're not here to be counter trend just for the fact of it, just so you can say that you shorted this trend in gold. It doesn't matter. All that matters is making money or not making money. So are you doing that? Well, you're not doing that if you're short gold. Okay, not right now at least. And so that's the first support level here. That's right around 139 on the GLD chart right there. Here's another support level down here at about 135. And then, so between about 135 and about 132, these are some major support levels. So if we head lower, these are the buy zones, okay? About 139 on the GLD chart, that's the first buy zone. And then 135 and 132. I doubt it'll hit 132, but if it does, this is a massive, massive buy, because the trend is still up here, guys. Trend is still up. The only way I would even consider shorting this is if we actually close below, let's say, this low right here, okay? Below about 130. If we get a close below 130, which is so far off, I highly doubt this will happen anytime soon. But if it does, that's going to be when the trend is over, okay? Because then we'll be making a lower low. Right now we just have higher highs and higher lows. And we've got a massive trend up, and any kind of dip is getting bought huge right here. Okay, guys? So, again, bounce zones, 139, 135, 132. If we head lower, this is a massive buy zone right here. And again, I did a video previously, before this dip happened, and I pointed this level out. Okay, so if you're watching these videos, this is very, very useful to know these levels, okay? Because I pointed out this level before this red day happened, and look at this, we bounced huge off of it, okay? So congrats for those of you guys that are following along in these videos. You are definitely going to be making money if you follow along on these videos. All right, guys? So now what you're looking at here is the portfolio tracker, the real-time portfolio tracker at thetradinganalyst.com. What this does is it tracks all of our closed out trades that we alert to members here at thetradinganalyst.com. All of these entries right here were sent out in real time via text message to members at thetradinganalyst.com. Same thing with the exits. We always give an exit alert. I know it's I get a silly question from people. They say, do you send out an exit alert? Well, of course I do. Okay, that's half of trading, okay? And you need both halves in order to actually do that. So yes, we do the entries and the exits all sent out in real time. And you can see that the winners here are almost twice as big as the average loss here. Okay, you can see the wins are about 52% average winning percentage. Average loss percentage is about 28%. So you can see almost twice as big on the winners as it is on the losers, all right? And you can see here in the last 13 months, okay, this portfolio tracker has been going on for 13 months, a little bit over 13 months, $304,000 in profits, tracking every single trade here. The winners, the losers, the break-even trades, everything gets put on here on the portfolio tracker. And this $304,000 is not an account value, okay? That is the actual profits that have been made from these trades, tracking every single trade here. So, if you have been struggling with your trading, or if you want to subsidize your own trading with some profitable trades being delivered, hand-picked and delivered directly to your cell phone, then I highly encourage you to join. Or if you're just in a little bit of a rut, maybe you've been successful for a while, but now you're just experiencing a rut in the market, totally okay. It happens to everyone. This is a great opportunity. I'd love to help you make consistent returns in the market, because we're not just having a good day or one good trade or anything like that. This is month after month, quarter after quarter, year after year. We are beating the market, and we were beating it big time. So I highly encourage you to join. I'd love to help you make consistent returns in the market, and I really encourage you to take that action for yourself. All right, guys, if you have any questions about anything I've discussed in this video, about joining the membership, or about the gold chart, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to chat with you. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time.